Welcome to the analysis of the book cover and title of the novel The Concubine, written by Elechi Ahmad from Nigeria in the year of 1966. The book cover of the novel The Concubine has many pictures, but I will explain one picture to another. My name is Teacher Kaligo Doto Njige, an analyst of literature books in the world. If you have the book of The Concubine, I ask you to listen to me. If you don't have it, I ask you to listen to it using a visual image. Elechi Ahmad has drawn a picture of a woman in the middle of the book, who is the main character, Ihuoma. The woman is surrounded by snake. And then on your right hand side, there are 3 human heads representing the 3 people who loved Ihuoma. One Emenike, who married Ihuoma for 6 years, and they had 2 sons. And 2 had a plan to marry Ihuoma after the death of Emenike, later Madume, and the last is Ikweme. And above the heads of the 3, there is a picture of a monster with an unclear picture. The picture is of a sea king. For those who have read this book or listened to this book, I think you understand me when I talk about book cover of the novel, The Concubine. Elechi Ahmad has used the woman's picture because the novel is about Ihuoma, who went through the turmoil and challenges of life without the joy of life in marriage. It is said that before Ihuoma was born in the world, she was the wife of Sea King, which is Demo, a monster that lives in the sea, and Ihuoma was a wife who was loved more than other women in the sea. Later they quarreled, and Ihuoma asked to be born in the world and to live the suffering life in the sea with Sea King. Sea King was still in love with Ihuoma, and he did not agree to divorce her, and he swore words and said that Ihuoma will not marry anyone. Who marries her, I will kill him. That is why there are 3 heads on your right hand. Those are Emenike, Madume, and Ekweme, being killed by Sea King because they were following her. Ihuoma, who is his favorite from the Sea King. So Ihuoma began to experience many challenges in life because the Sea King, who does not want to marry anyone with this, and the snake is a Sea King who changed himself into a snake, and Elechi Ahmad has wrapped the snake around the woman's head, showing the setting that the beginning at sea by Sea King. Ihuoma was born in the world and was married by Emenike for 6 years, and they had 2 sons. Sea King killed Emenike through his brother Madume's dispute over land. In the end, Emenike had a lock chest problem on the day of the fight between Emenike and Madume. Sea King entered Madume's boat and hurt Emenike. After the death of Emenike, Madume began seducing Ihuoma to have a son because he has 4 daughters. The Sea King killed Madume by changing himself into a snake and spitting in his eyes while in the field after challenging Ihuoma while he was harvesting crops in the disputed field. Madume's life, he was bland, and in the end he hanged himself. The third person, Ikweme, was preparing to marry Ihuoma because he was attracted by beauty of Ihuoma, and he died by being shot by an arrow by Ihuoma's son, born to Emenike, while he was aiming at a lizard, going to perform a ritual in the middle of the sea after being told by Anyika to look for a lizard, so that the Sea King will allow Ekweme to marry Ihuoma. All the deaths have been caused by the Sea King. He does not want Ihuoma to get married. He wants to be the concubine and not to be the wife of someone. Title of this novel, it is ironic because Ihwoma is not a concubine. He makes it appear that the concubine because of seeking. So when you answer the title question, shows the deaths of 3 people who died because of Ihwoma. It is also because of the jealous of seeking for Ihwoma. He believes Ihwoma is still his wife. Below the 3 heads of Emenike, Madume and Kweme is the mask head, releasing ghostly gods used by witch doctor Anyika to solve the problem of their community, like hunger, length, death, and soul. That is a picture of a man's eye. This is the eyes of Madume, who is shown by the author as having a big eye, meaning a rude person who is not wise toward his colleagues. It is also has a picture of 2 women greeting food in a meal. That picture is a symbol of women preparing food and not a man. Another picture is of a man dancing. That shows African dances. There is a picture of African houses with glass. The picture shows a rural setting and the scene were taken in the village. And finally, there is a picture of another woman on the left. That woman is Wol, Madume's wife, who was his friend and Ihwoma. There are also many women shown in this book, such as Ahwole, Wonuma, Aleluchi, and Adaku. That is the book cover. Title of this novel is ironic title, Ihwoma is not a concubine. The jealous of seeking lead the author to use the title, The Concubine, focusing on Ihwoma's challenges in her marriage. We also learn a lot through the book cover and the title of the novel. Being here in the world, there are women who don't get the happiness of marriage. They go through life turmoil. They don't get children, family separation, family conflict every day. Elecha Ahmad educates us that most Africans believe in superstition and magic. That is why they argue with each other so that the other does not succeed. I'm teacher Kadigo Doto Njige. Teach you not to try to be superstitious or destroy your partner's dreams by going to a healer or witch doctor. I end here. The next lesson we will look at the setting of this novel. Thank you very much for listening to me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below this video. Thank you.